Hello YouTube people, today I'm gonna draw Goku Super Saiyan 3, but in 4 different styles.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign.
Sketch is done, now it's time to select the first style. The first style is Cartoon. Let's start.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same.
The first style is done, now the second one is Slime. Let's go.
All night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Second style finish. The third one gonna be Glitch. Let's go.
Step 1, wake up, really gon' rise the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Bro, no!
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day.
Guys, the last style is Manga style. Let's do it. If you want done drawing something that you like, just comment below in the comment box. And never forget, God bless you.
Your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be